Hello, welcome back. I just wanted everybody to give a quick update on this Power Torque 3H drive battery powered ratchet. The one I got from O'Reilly's. Remember, I dropped it off the second floor. And so I got it that day. You guys saw me do the review on it. And I charged the battery on it that night. And I used it the next day, which would have been Thursday, and then I used it Saturday to do a tune-up on my buddy's F-150, 2018 with a 5.0 on it, and then I used it Monday and Tuesday, and I haven't charged the battery since. So, let me turn my flash off. Maybe turn this way, and still full green. This thing is actually, yeah, full green. It's still got some torque behind it. Even that one day with that dead battery, it was almost dead. So I'm gonna recommend, man, it's like 79 or 89 bucks. I'm gonna recommend that you guys get one of these, for doing your stuff at home. Comes in very handy. It's just as good as the most expensive ones you can get. That's where you charge it at. Remember, it's got the lights on top, and it only goes in one way. And oh look, a Milwaukee pack-out box. Yeah, it only goes in one way. See the channels? And turn the flash back on. See the channel and the channel, and then you got the channel and channel. Come on. It's hard to do some of this with one hand sometimes. But so as far as rigid goes, yes, I dropped it from the second floor up there all the way down to here, and it landed like over there, and it didn't do anything. I'll link that video in here so you can see it. It didn't do anything. It still works great. And then I told you I'd get back to you with the battery life. The battery life is really good. So constant use on Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday, and then Thursday. I didn't use it that much on Friday, just a little bit. So after a full charge, man, haven't charged it back up yet. I'm going to recommend that you get one of these. Check out O'Reilly's. This is called the Power Torque 3H drive, battery powered. 12 volt, 2 amp. It's actually a pretty good tool. So I appreciate it, you guys. There's the battery update. I love you guys. See you on the next one.